it's a little noisy here because they're weed whacking. But it says the peace bell. And there's the bell up there. I'm not going to ring it. And all the Japanese contributors, I guess, look around to the other side. Not much else you can see. But there's right out in front of the Solomon Islands on their area International Airport. There's the weed whackers and the lawnmowers. Well, the guys are still weed whacking in back of me, so you hear all that noise. But they're cutting the grass or whatever. But here's an old gun here. We're looking for the entrance to the Peace Garden. It might be over there. I don't know, but it's an old gun. This one's a little better shape, so you can still tell it's a gun here. Bugs are kind of biting me and different things, but this would all move here and still got smoothness. I don't want to touch it because it's kind of hot. And different things that are marking, maybe it's a 120 millimeter maybe. I'm not sure, but okay. Move out of the way here. And here's the gun. This is Solomon Islands Memorial Garden. But you're going to have a little walk through here. It's nice and shady. Number of different plaques by the trees here, so if you want to know what the trees are and whatever, you'd have to get a little close in there. But tells you the type of tree and I guess when it was planted and a few other things there. Talking to my camera here. Yeah, each tree, it's nice they got them all in nice even rows, because you look down there, look how nice those rows are. Very nice. All pretty much the same type of tree. And really shot. Yeah, you got all these different rows here. So maybe there's a list somewhere that tells you what tree and when it was planted in each and every row. I don't know. Am I getting closer to this one here? Let's see what this says. CE friend. Oh, it's for each person that was fallen, I guess. Memorial. U.S. Marine Corps, born July 8, 1924 in Pennsylvania. And Navy Marine Corps Medal, 15/13/44. So maybe that's when he died, 1944 maybe. I don't know, but yeah, they're all down here, each one of them. Okay. We come up to a big tree in the center, and they have looks like Marine Corps here, Marine Corps symbol. 1st Division, dedicated to the men of the 1st Marine Division, FMF, who gave their lives in service of their country, Guadalcanal. Okay, and over here, more Marine Raiders on this one, and big tree here, row G. Yeah, they're all painted in a nice straight line here. If you look down, very nice area here. We got one more pillar here, probably another Marine one here, I would guess. Let's look around the other side. Oh, and this is a handful of men, coast watchers and Solomon Islanders alike, operating side by side, and whatever, the Marines salute the coast watchers, etc., etc., equal to all. Remember, United States Marines here, so okay. Yeah, as we walk along here, I'm going to look at some of these other ones here. Henderson Field, because we're not far from Henderson Field. The airport, the new airport here was not built at Henderson Field, but which one is these here? Oh, this one's got a lot of stuff on it here. Served aboard the USS Phoenix. Landed in Tulagahi. Yeah. Something here. What in the world? The honor crewman lost from the USS Franklin, March 19th, 1945. That's toward the end of the war. A couple of these don't have any plaques. Yeah, I wonder why. Let's go over to this other row. Somebody's been here because they left a stone. Carrier Air Group 11. Some of them were for individual people, and some of them were to like all the people that were lost on a certain ship or something there. So, petty officer lost in operations, 1943. So it covers a bunch of different years. So it doesn't. Not all these people died in the same year. So yeah. So as they look, like I said, there's all the trees there. Nice straight lines and rows. At least it's semi-clean here, not too much debris, but there is some here. But all these here. All right.